Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we will be checking the durability and how the Wolfgang Uber ceramic coating is doing. It is the last week of January 2018. The coating was applied October of 2016. So what does that put us at? About 14, 15, 16 months? November, December, January. So about 15 months. So the truck is still dirty, as you can see here. It was covered in salt. You can tell on the trim here. So the hood just being rinsed. So this is dirty and after just a rinse. And the side of the door here. So obviously the middle of the door and down is what is going to be most affected, just due to the road grime and dirt. As you can see, the water is about the middle of the door here. So the sheeting action of the water, it's actually still just sitting on the surface. So the plan is to try out a new soap today, which will be the Chemical Guys Gloss Works. I'll link a video of that above. I'm actually testing two different foam cannons, and we'll check back once the truck is washed and then rinsed off. I'm now cleaning the wheels, and you can see top of the bed, the water beading or sheeting or lack thereof. So the truck has been washed and rinsed. We dried this section of the hood and a little bit of this fender. This door is dry, so we can try the free-flowing water, and then this door is just washed and rinsed. You can see the beading of the water. Now again, the truck was only washed with Chemical Guys Gloss Works, so we'll go ahead and rinse again here. So, still somewhat hydrophobic. The McKee's glass coating is still doing great. So now, for a free-flowing water test. Hood, fender, now on the door, And one more area, the back of the bed. So, I mean, the truck still looks great. The gloss and, you know, the reflections are great. I would say that the coating has probably seen better days. Come springtime, we're probably going to inspect the paint to see if there's any kind of light swirls or any type of imperfections just from, you know, about a year and a half by that time worth of washing. And then I think we'll make a decision on what the next coating is for the truck. I've seen some videos on the CarPro Gliss. I might give that a try. Beading on the hood, still good. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.